Great taste! Kopi ka brown, baka naman. Okay. Pilan? Ito matagol ba? Okay. Because we're a family of drinkers. One margarita. My name is Maxine. So this will be our staycation for today. Overnight lang kami dito with family. Let's go. House tour. Hi. Room number 1. So this is room number 1. Let's go sa taas. So this villa, meron siyang 3 room. Yung kanina is room number 1. Then this is room number 2. Wow. Room number 3. And wow, so spacious. The view outside. Plane. Hello guys! Welcome to the vlog. So for today, nandito kami ngayon sa RCK Villa Resort. So dito kami mag-stay for tonight. So yun lang. Mag-swimsuit. Welcome to RCK! Wow! Maxine! Sino yan? Kasipin mo. Hi!
Say hi! Ay, buli ko makamikap ka pali pa.
Paganda time for the pictorial. Nangyayari na naman pong pagandahan dito, no?
Magkano yung ano mo?
Girl, how much is that?
50 pesos only.
Meron tayong guest for today. Bagong-bago sa vlog natin.
Tsaka mag-pull.
Yang! Good morning! Morning! Our food for today, we have barbecue, vegetables, fermented mango, asado, this is tacos, asado again, spaghetti, tinapa, and shrimp. Yahoo! 1, 2, 3, wagi! Hey, cheese! Mama, bila ka pa. Ate Lorna! Ano nga sabi mo kayong fans mo, Len? Ano masasabi mo ngayon na mag-aaral ka na sa sa Holy Angel University? Aaral na po siya sa Holy Angel University. According to her, bagay daw yung ganda niya doon. Which is true. Why are you crying? Halaga mo naman! Bless you! Bless you! Hi! Wagi! Hi! Happy birthday, Maxine! Oh! Smile! Bebin! Say hi to your mom! Okay, so what we have here?
Ladies, pretty ladies.
Yun, sige pa.
We drank up all the water.
Ay, cute na!
Bubble, 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 bubble.
Cute! You're late. Why are you late? Explain yourself. Hi. My turn. My turn. Okay, your turn. Your turn. Okay, your turn. It's okay, it's okay. Wow, you're so beautiful naman. Are you pretty? Are you pretty? You wanna go swimming? No, why? Barbecue time. It's Mama Bay and Pao. Let's go. Kayo taga.
Meron ding doble 4 pero hindi. Doble 3 lang po tayo. Sa letra ng I, 24. Wala pa.
Action!
Sinong kasama mo? Ikaw! Ay! Ay, pare! Saan na pare?
North Virginia is where we took our first steps. Santa Cruz, California.
Good night.
Was one hell of a trip.
Ninang Pusit. Good morning, like my vlog. Hello guys.
Hey, good morning, good morning, good morning. Okay, so we're having a photo shoot here. Wow!
Oh, bring me all of your gray skies. The moonlight never seems so bright until it's the only source of
Oh, hey! Ot yan kami. Tut!
sunshine. Never mind. Give me all of your gray skies.
Hi guys!
Go!
They're chasing me down, trying to find your love.
Okay.
Pag-visa pa ako, Kenny. Diyan ako libog. Paano ka rin?
Asus! Ara! Ara! Ara!
Let's go east, running down the river.
Yes!
We've already been south, yeah, and it feels like home. But my true
Diba?
north,
Let's sila. Magkasize. Oh, pa.
can go.
Oh, oh. Oh, oh. Gaya mag-hi ka. Please sabihin mo like and subscribe.
Guys, please like and subscribe.
Wow!
Can go.